Okay, state whether triangle ABC and AED are congruent. That is this triangle and this triangle. Are they congruent? Justify your answer. Okay, so if we're looking at those two triangles, I'm going to get the marks out of there. We know which ones we're talking about. What do we know? Well, we already know because they tell us that that is congruent to that. And we already know that this is congruent to that. Fun fact though, because both of these sides here measure 7, the definition of congruence is that they have the same measurement. So that is congruent to that. And then therefore we have side, side, side congruence. So we definitely know that it's yes by side, side, side. So it's gonna be either A or B. Now let's see whether we can come up with side, angle, side with this. I'm gonna get all those marks out of there. Side, angle, side. What do we need for side, angle, side? We need to have the included angle. Side, angle, side. It's got to be the included angle. So we need that angle right there. And what information do we have about that angle? I don't really see us having any information about that angle, to be perfectly honest. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that we don't have enough information. We do have an angle there. Oh, but you know what? We have this side here, right? I keep thinking about the two sides they gave us, but we also know that third side. So since we know this, then yeah, we do have side, angle, side. We have this side, this angle, this side. We have this side, this angle, this side. So there you go. Do have side, angle, side. So we're going to say it is A. Side, side, side. If we know that that 7 side is congruent to that 7 side, or side, angle, side, for the same reason, we have to know that that's congruent to that, and then we have side, angle, side. Great, fun.